Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making candied orange peels. For this recipe, you will need oranges or lemons, sugar, and baking soda. The quantities are flexible because the recipe is simple and you can decide how much you want to make. I'll demonstrate the process using 3 oranges. We're going to start by cleaning oranges. Make sure you remove all the stickers off. Rub the oranges with baking soda on dry skin. Fill a bowl with warm water, wash the oranges in it, and let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with regular water and dry with a cloth. Cut off the ends of the oranges, then score the peel into 5 to 6 vertical sections. Remove the peel from each section and repeat for all the oranges. Squeeze the juice from the oranges. You'll get approximately half a cup of juice from 3 oranges. Pour about 4 cups of water into a pot. Add the peels and cover. Once the water boils, cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. After boiling, transfer the peels to cold water and let them cool. Carefully scrape off the white pith from the inside of the peel using a knife. This is what it's supposed to look like. Cut the peels into strips about a 1/4 inch wide. Pour the orange juice into a pot. Add sugar and stir until it dissolves. Add 1½ cups of water and the prepared orange peel strips. Stir gently. Cover and bring to a boil. Once it boils, uncover, stir lightly. Lower the heat and let it simmer until the mixture thickens into a syrup. This is what it's supposed to look like. Arrange the syrup-coated peels on a wire rack placed over a baking sheet, ensuring they don't touch each other. Leave them to dry at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours, or place them in the oven at the lowest possible temperature, 160, for about an hour. When the peels are completely dry, roll them in granulated sugar until evenly coated. Enjoy them as a sweet treat or use them to decorate cakes and holiday desserts. Store the candied peels in an airtight container in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.